Hello and welcome to Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Today I am here with a start of a very important series, okay, which will enable you, which will give you all the tools to require to success and to achieve everything that you need in your PU2 examination. Starting from your 1 mark question, I'm going to solve all chapters, important PYQs and HOTS MCQs bacha, that can be asked in fill in the blanks also. So basically 1 mark question will solve for all the chapters together. Okay, so ready for that? It might be a longer session, but if you watch this completely, I can guarantee you that you'll get a very good marks in section number 1, section A for 1 mark. Okay, again, as you can see on our community post, more things are coming for you for mathematics and other subjects as well. Please go ahead and check the community post of our channel YouTube Deeksha Karnataka. Okay, chaliye, so let's start with the question number 1. What we have here, okay, one more thing bacha, we will not waste much time today. We will be a little fast paced. That's why I'm taking this session recorded, because I don't want to waste any of your time. Even a single minute of your time wasted is my fault. So I'll try my best to be on track, not waste any time. Whatever I'm doing right now, forgive me for that. Okay, so that's why the recorded session bacha. In life what happens is sometimes there's distraction. Don't want that. Question number 1 for you from the ITF. The principal value branch of cot inverse of x. Give me the answer without anything you need for this question. Question is B. Option is B, sir. Cot inverse x principal value branch is 0 to pi. If it was cos inverse x, it will become, sir, option D. There's a difference. Cot inverse 0 to pi, cos inverse will become 0 to pi in close bracket. Question number 2. Principal value of cosec inverse minus root 2. Okay, so what we can do for this bacha? If you know this, option should be option number A. Right or not? Yes, sir. How come, sir? Check this out. It will become, sir, minus cosec inverse of root 2. This is nothing but your pi by 4. Hence the answer is minus pi by 4. Please check. Option A is correct for question number 2, right? Few things are very simple, so we will not give much time to it. But if you have any doubt, don't worry. Actually, there is one more announcement I want to give you. All of you, I will have one important announcement for you. What you can do is just leave your doubts in the comment section. We have a surprise for you. We'll try to come up live and clear all of your doubts. Whatever doubts you have for mathematics, you will leave in this series comment section. In the 1 marker, 2 marker, whatever it is, you leave me the doubt. I will come live and clear all of your doubts. All of you, not even missing one. Okay, I can try my best to do that. I'll certainly do that. Let me know any comments, any doubt you have. The value of tan inverse of 1, cos inverse of minus 1 by 2, sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. Okay, this bacha is going to be pi by 4. This will be a pi minus pi by 3. This will be a minus pi by 6. Correct? No? So 60 degrees, 30 degrees. Cos inverse, cos becomes 1 by 2 at 60. That's why 60 degrees over here, pi by 3. And sin becomes 1 by 2 at 30. Okay, why minus sign bacha? Cos inverse of minus x. Cos inverse of minus x is nothing but pi minus cos inverse of x, whereas sin inverse of minus x is nothing but minus sin inverse of x. Same properties used over here. I hope this makes sense to you. Please check now. Is it very simple? Of course, sir. Pi by 4 as it is. What else we have, sir? This is pi. So 90 degree, right? 90. What is bacha? This is also 90. So plus pi, sorry, pi is 180. Forgive me. Pi is 180 minus pi by 2. How's the pi by 2? Bacha, these two club together. Please check. Pi by 3 is 60. Pi by 6 is 30. Add them with a negative sign. Pi by 2. What is it going to be? Pi by 4 plus pi by 2, giving me the answer as simply 3 pi by 4, sir. Please check. Pi plus 2 pi, 3 pi by 4. Option is B. Option is B. Have a look. Okay. So let's move on to question number 4 now. Sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. This is a question difficult, sir? Of course not, sir. How can it be difficult, bacha? Pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus x. So there's a minus sign, will become again minus sine inverse of same value x, sir. No problem, sir. Sine inverse of minus x is nothing but sine inverse of minus sine inverse of x. Please check. Sine inverse of minus x is minus sine inverse of x over here. Okay, same property I'm using like this. Sine of pi by 3 plus sine inverse of 1 by 2. The angles, please check. This is 60 degree. This is 30 degree. Sine of 60 plus 30, 90. Answer is 1. Answer is 1, sir. Question number 4, option D is correct. Please check. Had fun? Let's move on to question number 5. Before that, I have a very important announcement to make for all of you regarding Abhyas KCET test series. Yes, sir, it's already live. Okay, so right now what you can do is don't purchase the test series. Yes, sir. So you're promoting it. You're asking me to not purchase it. Yes, I don't want you to purchase it right now. What you can do is go ahead, check the platforms link available, okay, in our video's description. Go ahead, visit this web page. Once you go there for KCET Abhyas test series, please try your free trial, which is given to you at 0 rupees. You can get 4 chapters, so actually 4 subjects, part test videos and sessions, mock papers will be one for bio, chemistry, maths, okay, and physics. So each subject will be bacha, there will be part test. Each paper will have 60 questions. What are you going to get in the registered this 4 part test? Question papers, PDF solutions, also video solutions. Once you go through it, and if you feel like that yes sir, this is going to be actually helping me in my preparation, in my rank, boosting my rank for KCET examination, then please go ahead, enroll right away at a price of 14.99. In that you get your PUC Success Blueprint test series only for 1 rupee is 1. Okay, with this you get Success Blueprint test series for 1 rupee. Okay, please go ahead, and this is again only a launch offer as the exam comes close, the KCET examination. What will happen? This might go up bacha to 3,000 rupees. So please go ahead and purchase it right away. One more thing, what are the features of this test series? So as I said, 4 free is already given to you. Anyone who is registering it can get it for free, 4 free part test. Then bacha, you'll have 31 full syllabus and part test available to you, which is going to be paid, launching from 17th of March. Yes, why 17th March bacha? Because you have boards right now. That's why we are here, right? Solving all the 1 marker. So 31 paid and part test and full syllabus bacha will be launched from 17th March. Remember the date, 17th March. Okay, and detailed video solutions will be there with the analysis. We'll also have chapter wise 1 short revision videos given to you from our side, and chapter wise insights for last 5 years for KCET papers. You'll get all of this at a price of only 14.99. Just enroll right now for the free one, try it, and then again come back and quickly take this offer price of 14.99 for Abhyas KCET test series. You will do that, right? Of course. Now let me get back to your question number, I think 4 or 5. Let's check. I think 5, right? Question number 5, sir, from ITF. Let's solve it. The value of tan inverse of 2 cos of 2 sin inverse of 2. Chaliye, let's start from here. It will become 2 times of pi by 6, right? Pi by 6, sir. 30 degrees, no? I wrote pi by 3. Forgive me for that. Pi by 6. This is done, sir. First part. We have cos over here. We have 2 over here. I get this is cancelled. I get here pi by 3 now. 2 times of cos pi by 3. Again 1 by 2, sir. Get this and this cancelled. What is left now? Only 1, sir. What we have outside? Tan inverse of 1. So right here, tan inverse of 1. How much is that? Pi by 4. Pi by 4. Option D is correct, sir. Yes or no? Option D is correct. Okay, let's move on to question number 6 now. Sir, why so fast? We have a lot of questions to solve. More than 100 questions we're going to solve in the session today to complete our all 1 marker from all the chapters. Everything we're going to do, bacha. Okay, so question number 6 from ITF. The principal value of sine inverse of sine 3 pi by 5. We have to make this change. Remember, pi minus 3 pi by 5 will do that, bacha. Okay, sine inverse of sine pi minus 2 pi by 5 we will do. Please check which quadrant, bacha. Second quadrant, sir. Second quadrant. The angle is in second quadrant. Sine is positive. Good for us. Sine is positive. It means, sir, it will become sine 2 pi by 5. This angle is going to be bacha second quadrant, no? Right? Pi minus 2 pi by 5 will be second quadrant. Pi minus, no? Second quadrant. Okay. So sine is positive, will become sine 2 pi by 5. At pi, sine will remain sine only. Positive because of the angle in the second quadrant. What I get? Sine inverse of sine, bacha, will be simply 2 pi by 5. Sine inverse of sine, they are inverse functions. Sine and sine inverse, they can cancel the effect. What is the result? 2 pi by 5. Option C is correct. Clear? Yes, fair enough. Moving on to question number 7. Let me know how you're feeling about the session so far in the comment section till question number 6 that we have done. The value of cot inverse of this, bacha. How do you solve this? Think about it. Take, sir, simply x equals to sec theta. Why, sir, sec theta? Check this, no? X square minus 1, it will become tan theta, that's why. Check this out. So x square minus 1 will become, sir, sec square theta minus 1. Tan square theta, sir, in the root, right? Apply root now. It will become, sir, tan theta, sir, Okay, put in the denominator now. So cot inverse of 1 upon tan theta bacha. Cot inverse of cot, sir, simply 1 by tan is what bacha? Cot, yes. So cot inverse of cot theta, giving me the answer to be simply theta. I have taken as x as sec theta. It means from here I can get theta equals to sec inverse of x. So my result will be nothing but sec inverse of x. Sec inverse of x. Option number C. Option number C is correct. Please check. Good question or not? Very good question. Please check. 7th is done. Moving on to question number 8 now. What about this, sir? Check the result over here. 3 times of cos inverse of x. Simple. Take, sir, theta equals to cos inverse of x. Okay. Then we know this. 3 theta will be nothing but varying from 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Correct, no? The range of cos inverse 0 to pi. Alright, now what we get from here, bacha? We get here, if I move this 3 on this side, this 3 on this side also, I get here 0 by 3 is going to be 0 only, less than equal to theta, less than equals to pi by 3. Agreed? Now apply cos on both sides. Apply cos on both sides, it will become, bacha, cos 0, okay, less than, we'll write that later, right here cos theta simply, okay, and right here cos pi by 3. Cos is a decreasing function. When you apply cos, the inequality will reverse, bacha. The inequality will reverse, sir. What I get? Cos 0 is 1 greater than equal to cos theta is what, bacha? From here you check. Cos theta will become simply x, sir. So right here, x greater than equal to cos pi by 3, sir, simply 1 by 2. What I'm getting the result for x as 1 by 2 to 1. 1 by 2 to 1. Option B is correct. Equality will be there, no? 0 to pi equal is there. That interval is 0 to pi including 0 to pi. 0 and pi is included. That's why I have taken the equality. You can see here both places has equality in it. That's why the result will also have equality. Don't pick as option number C. Option C is incorrect, sir. Option B is right. We need to have the equality. Please make sure that you make this change. Question number 8 is done. Question number 9 now. Okay. The relation, now we are in the relation and functions. Okay, so we have solved total of 8 questions so far in ITF. Moving on to your relation and function. It's a PYQ, good for us, March 2023 paper. It has been asked in. The relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 given like this 1, 2, 2, 1 is reflexive, sir? No. Symmetric, yes. Transitive? No, sir. If I have 1, 2 and 2, 1, I should also have 1, 1, na? But it's not there. It means only symmetric. Only symmetric, sir. So option B is correct. Only symmetric. Option B is correct for question number 9. If you have a different answer, let me know your reason in the comment section. Question number 9, getting a different answer, don't worry. Don't accept my answer. Give me your thought. Give me your answer in the comment section. I will talk to you in the comment section asking that why you're thinking like that, and will again reach the conclusion of the right answer. Okay. Question number 9, option is B. Question number 10 now. Both the empty relations and universal relation is, this is definition, right? This is definition only. Nothing much has to be done over here. Take this trivial relation. We have done this question again. Okay. Question number 10, C is done. 11th, a relation R in set A, if each element of A is related to every element of A, is called as universal relation. It's called as universal relation. That's the definition of bacha, universal relation. Each element of the set A related to every element in the set A. R is called as universal relation. Option B is correct. Okay. 12 now. Let R be the relation in set N given by R equals to A comma B such that A equals to B minus 2, A equals to B minus 2, also B greater than 6. Okay. B greater than 6 means, bacha, of course, this is, okay, difference has to be, bacha, 2, no? Difference has to be 2, sir. So this option can be there, this cannot be there, and this cannot be there. Here difference, bacha, is 1. Here difference is again 5, sir. So option B and D cannot be there. And if you check the option A and D, we are getting here B as 4. But they are saying B greater than 6, right? Please check. In the ordered pair, they have given A comma B, right? Ordered pair is A comma B. Please check. A comma B is given. What they have given the option number A, 2 comma 4. From here, if you compare, you get B value as 4. It is simply B is less than 6. What are they asking? B greater than 6. So option A cannot be there. Only option correct is option C. Option C is correct. Only right option is option number C. Please check. Done. 13th now. Consider the non-empty set consisting of children in a family and relation are defined as A or B such that A is brother of B. A is brother of B. Good for us, okay? Can we say B R A also true? Can we say, just from this statement, can we say B R A is also true? Not necessarily, bacha. Let's say B is a girl, I can say A is a brother of B. If B is a girl, if this person here is girl, I will say, right, no, A is brother of B, okay? Then can I say B is a brother of A? No, they'll be of course siblings, but B will be sister of A, right? If B is a girl, A is a brother of B, good. But if I say B is a girl and B is a brother of A, it will be wrong, no? A is a brother of B, correct, but B is a brother of A, not right. It means B R A cannot be true. So not symmetric. Not symmetric. What about transitive, sir? Think about it. A R B is there. They are also saying B R C is also true. It means B is brother of C. Think about it. So what I'm getting so far here, very, very clearly, A is a boy, B is also a boy. How come, sir? Because C, B is a brother, no? So this has to be boy as well. So C, even though it's a girl, even though person C is a girl, I can say no, A is a brother of C. If I write here, bacha, A or C, I can write no, A is brother of C. Think about it. A is the brother of B, so A is a boy, and B is the brother of C. It means B is a boy. Okay. So even though C is a girl, I can say no, A is the brother of C. Right? So it means ARB is there, BRC is there, and also ARC is there. So yes, transitive. Yes, transitive, but not symmetric. Not symmetric. Please check. So option will become B, right? Will be B. Question number 13 is done. Please check. It's a very fun question. Very, very fun question. You know, actually board can ask this kind of question, okay? Not only brother, they can ask you on the sitting arrangement or something like that, they can ask you, okay? Sitting arrangement or a relation problem, they can ask you in this type. And I think if you put little bit of your mind, you'll get the answer right very quickly, okay? Chaliye, 13 is done. Moving to question number 14, sir. Let f n to n be defined as fx equals to x square. This is very important. Very, very important. Here they are defined from n to n, right? Means this is my domain, excuse me, and this is my codomain, sir. Okay, so x belongs to this and y also belongs to this only, natural number. Clear, right? N represents what, bacha? Natural number set. Okay, great. What is the function given as? Y equals to x square. We can say blindly not 1 1. Not 1 1. How come, sir? Bacha, symmetric about y-axis, na? Take a line like this. You get two intersection point. You want only one intersection point in the case of 1 1 function. Here we have many 1. So it can be said not 1 1. That is okay. What about onto, sir? Think about it. If I take this function, I get here. If y is any natural number, right? Okay. I can get, sir, x will be equal to root of y. Think of a natural number. Is y equal to 8 a natural number, bacha? Is y equal to 8 a natural number? Tell me. Yes, sir, of course. In that case, I'll write here root to 8 in place of y. Can I find the value of this? Of course, sir. X will become 2 root 2, which is not a natural number. But it's said that x is natural number and y also natural number. They said that, no? Domain is n and codomain is n. I'm taking from natural number as 8, finding root of that. I'm getting this as 2 root 2. Means there can be some values in natural number which will not give me x value as natural number. Okay. Then what will happen, bacha? Not onto. Not onto, sir. So what is the answer? Neither 1 1 nor onto. Okay. So option is D, bacha. Very clearly. So 1 1 is very simple. 1 1 part is very simple. Okay. Again, why graphical approach, bacha? To save our time. You can, use graphic, use your algebraic approach also. So x1 square equals to x2 square. You get plus minus, no? So you get two answers. That's why you have to, say not 1 1. Right or not, sir? You'll get, bacha, x1 equals to plus minus x2, na, sir? So both answers you're getting. That's why you can't say it is 1 1. You can use this approach also, not a problem. But I can show you. This is easy to do. That's why I've done that. In the exam, steps are not required. It's MCQ, not required steps. Only answer. Option D is correct. Question number 15 now. Z to Z. Again, what is this? Integers, bacha. Domain. Domain is again integers, and your codomain also integers, na? Great. What are they asking? Function is given as y equal to x cube. If you know this graph is like this, right? Okay, so you'll get bacha 1 1 only. You'll get sir 1 1. 1 1 will be there. But what about onto, sir? What about onto, bacha? Not always, of course. X will become cube root of y. Take here y equal to 4. Y equal to 4, sir, integer, na? Correct? Y equal to 4, sorry, from here. Y equal to, y belongs to z, integer, correct only, right? Y equal to 4 is correct. Take bacha x equals to cube root of 4. What is the value? Not equal to integer. It means, sir, 1 1 is there but not onto. Not onto, sir. So 1 1 but not onto. F is 1 1 but not onto. Option number C is correct. I hope you're getting it. Right? You can again apply here a graphical approach, sorry, algebraic approach also, get the same result. X1 equals to x1 cube equals to x2 cube. Since it's cube root, the sign will remain same, plus or minus. Please check. 15th is done. Moving to question number 16th now. If let A is given as like this, we have total of n elements in A. The number of surjections, sir, are n to n, right? So option C is correct. No, n square, right? Now please check. Let A equals to 1 2 3 to n, then the number of surjections from A to itself. How do you find that, sir? Very simple. Answer is going to be B, sir. We have done this. Remember, how do we do this, sir? We have two sets, right? A to A, right? We have 1 2 3 till n, sir. We have 1 2 3 till again n, sir. For this picture, we have n options available. For the next one, we'll have, sir, n minus 1 option together, and like that it will go till 1, right? For the first one, we'll have n options. Like that, it'll keep going, right? It'll become n times of n minus 1 times till 1, but it becomes what, sir? N factorial. What is option number B? 16th is done. Have any doubt? Let me know in the comment section. Question number 16 is over. 17th now. Okay, now, sir, so we have solved all of 16 questions from chapters relation functions and ITF. Moving on to question number 17 now, from continuity and differentiability. Okay, if y equals to a sin x plus b cos x, then find second order derivative. Let's do it. Y double dash, we have to find out. First find y dash, which will become a cos x, okay, minus b sin x, है ना? For sin will become cos, for cos will have minus sign. That's why minus b sin x. Again derivative which will become y double dash equals to, keep here a as it is, it will become minus sin, no? So minus a sin x, it will be simply b sin will become, sir, cos x. Take negative sign common, sir. Negative will common. We'll get here a sin x, sir, plus b cos x. So minus y. I'm getting y double dash as minus y. Y double dash as minus y. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Please check. Y double dash as minus y. Option B is correct. Moving on to question number 18 now, sir. That quick? Yes, that quick. Question number 18. The function f is given by fx equals to mod of x minus 1. Okay. Option is B. Okay. Option is B, sir. Continuous but not differentiable. Correct, no? Mod of x minus 1. Think about it. It'll be, sir, towards this side. Correct, no? This is the function, right? Mod of x minus 1. The function will move towards right. Okay. So when you do this, what are you getting? When you put x as 0, you'll get as plus 1. When you put this as 0, it will become minus. When you put x, y as 0, it will become, sir, what? Plus 1 only, right? Correct. Okay. Have a look. The function f given by mod x minus 1. The graph is this, right? What you'll have? Continuous but not differentiable. This point will be not differentiable, sir. So continuous but not differentiable. Option is B. Option is B. This is half coordinate, right? Over here, what we have? Negative derivative. Over here, you'll have positive derivative. Hence, that will not be equal to each other. Okay. Move on to question number 19 now. Number of points for which function fx is given as mod x minus mod x plus 1 is non-differentiable. 2 points. We have two critical points, right? 0 and minus 1. Option is C. Please check. Option is C, bacha. Okay. Let's move on to next question. Question number 20. If y equal to sin inverse of x root x, sin inverse of x root x, okay, then find the value of derivative dy by dx. Okay. If I had y equal to, let's say, sin inverse of simply theta I had, bacha, what is the answer going to be? Y dash will become 1 upon 1 minus x square. Correct, na? So same formula we can use for this. Again, we'll have to apply chain rule, of course. D theta by dx, we have to apply that for sure. Let's see this. Let's see this, bacha, what will happen? 1 upon root of 1 minus, I have this as x root x the whole cube, okay, and then what are we going to do? Differentiate this whole part. It becomes a x power 3 by 2 is there, right? X power 3 by 2 is there, na? Differentiate it becomes a 3 by 2. Again, what will happen? X power 1 by 2, okay, that's your answer. So what I'm getting now, please check, it'll become over here like this, 3 by 2 root x. Power 1 by 2 is what? Root x only, divided by what I have over here is 1 minus x cube. How come, sir? I have x by 3 by 2 power, what is this? Whole square, right? Whole square. So it'll become, sir, cancelling this, it'll become x power 3 only, right? X power 3 only. This is a whole square, right? I wrote it incorrect. Whole square. Answer is going to be 3 by 2 root x upon 1 minus x cube in the root. Okay. 3 by 2. Option number is C. Please check. Option C is correct. 3 by 2 root x 1 minus x cube. I have taken this as x square. No, please change that. Okay. Over here it will come at x cube. Okay. Have a look. 20th is done. If y equal to cos inverse of sin x. Okay. Find derivative. Okay. We know the formula. If I have let's say y equals to cos inverse of x, derivative will become bacha, so your y dash will be nothing but minus 1 upon 1 minus x square, है ना? Instead of x we have sin x, so this will become dy by dx will become minus 1 upon root of 1 minus whatever is there sin x, so sin x the whole square, okay, and then chain rule will be there for sin x, it will become so what? Cos x. What I'm getting now? Minus cos x divided by 1 minus sin square, simply cos square in the root. Okay, what I'm getting now, this root will cancel the square and this whole thing will be cancelled. What I'm getting now, answer is simply minus 1. Answer is simply minus 1, sir. Option D is correct. Please check. Option D is correct for question number 21. Have a look. This is clear, right? Question number 22. If y equal to sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of 1 minus x square in the root, find the derivative again. How do you solve it, sir? Very simple. Let's try again. So we will do like this, dy by dx will apply for different terms individually. First for this part will remain very simple, 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. This part is done, sir. Moving on to this term, again same approach is there, plus sign will come 1 upon root of 1 minus whatever is there in the sin inverse of x, we'll take that square, okay. So like this, root of 1 minus x square ka square. This is clear? Is it over, sir? No. Apply the chain rule now. So when you do this, you're gonna get differentiation of this. It will become 1 by 2. The power is what, bacha? Root is there means power is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will come in front, right now? And you'll have 1 minus x square ka power 1 by 2 minus 1, n minus 1. N was 1 by 2, right? So n came in front, n times of x power n minus 1, okay? And then, is it over, sir? No, bacha. We have to differentiate again. This part also inside. We get here 0 minus 2x, 0 minus 2x. Now it is over. Okay. Now what are we getting? Please check. This will remain as it is. 1 minus x square over here. Now plus sign is there. Divided by, have a look. I'm getting here 1 minus 1 plus x square. Correct, now? Have a look. If I take this out, square and this will cancel each other's effect, square and root. I get here minus 1 will become minus 1, minus of minus x will become plus x square, okay. I have here 1 by 2, here I have negative root will be there, bacha, so it will come in denominator 1 minus x square, power is negative, no, minus 1 by 2, so it will come in denominator times of minus 2x. Check this out. I'm getting here this 2 and this 2 cancelled. This is cancelled, sir. I get here root of x square, which will cancel with this x. Correct, no? Root of x square. How much is that? X only, right? So cancel with this x. What I have now? Very simple. This first term will remain as it is. 1 minus x square. There is a minus sign. So write this minus sign. What I have? Only this part left in denominator. Root of 1 minus x square. What is the answer? Simply 0. Option A is accurate, sir. Option A is correct. Please check. This is clear. Moving on to question number 23. If y equal to log 7, of log x with the base 7, then find the derivative. Very simple. Okay. dy by dx formula is there, bacha, right? Whatever in the log, that will come in the denominator. So write like this. Log x will come first. Okay. Then you take this ln a will come. So log of 7 will come. Okay. And then you'll have to apply the chain rule. For differentiate the log x, you'll get, bacha, 1 by x. So your answer will become 1 upon x log x log of 7. X log x log of 7. Okay, this is part of chain rule. Okay, option is A. Option is A. Question number 23 is also over. Very simple. Moving on to question number 24. Question number 24. Again from integration now. We are done with your differentiation and continuity part. Moving to your question number 24. Okay. Integrations. Integral of cosec times cosec. We have here of course x. So cosec x times of cosec x plus cot x dx. Okay. Expand the bracket. You will get here cosec square x plus cosec x and cot x. Again there is a dx outside the bracket. Integrate this part, bacha, you're gonna get here minus cot x. This will become so minus cosec x plus c. In option like this, option number C is correct. Option number C is correct for question number 24. Have a look. Any doubt you have so far, let me know in the comment section. Question number, just mention question number as well. Okay, I will try to get back to you. Question number 25 now. Integral of 2 minus 3 sin x upon cos square x. How do you solve it, sir? Very difficult? Of course not. Actually, one more thing, bacha. Since this chapter is very difficult actually in subjective questions, so MCQ will not come that tricky. If MCQ is coming from integration, it will be very, very easy. So please make sure that you are very confident going in this MCQ or attempting any MCQ of your integration chapter. Agreed? Question number 25 now. So we'll differentiate this from the, we will separate this fraction from this negative sign. We get here 2 upon cos square x minus 3 upon, right here like this, sin x by cos x into cos x. There is a bracket and there is dx outside. Okay, please check. I am writing cos square x as cos x into cos x. Why, sir? We'll see that now. 2 will become, cos square is in denominator, will become, so sec square x minus sin by cos will become 3 tan x, okay, times of again sec x. This is a bracket of course with dx. Have a look. It will become a tan x, 2 tan x basically, and it will become a minus 3 sec x plus c. Correct now? 3 sec x tan x will become integration as 3 will remain constant. This will be coming as sec x. Okay. So the answer is 2 tan x minus 3 sec x. 2 tan x minus 3 sec x. Option is, please check, option C is correct. 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus c. Option number C is correct. 26 now. X square e power x cube dx. Okay. How do you solve it? We have to use here, sir, substitution, but not the difficult one. Okay. Simply take here x cube as t. What will happen to this, sir? Differentiate now. 3x square equals to dt by dx. Why we are doing this? If you have a doubt, sir, why we are doing this? But we have to, since you are replacing the variable, no, you have to replace this x also, right? Dx also, no? That's why we are doing all of this. Okay. Take this on this side. You'll get here x square dx equals to dt by 3. Why like this, sir? We don't have 3 over here, that's why. Now combine these two together. So what do you get? E power t dt is there, and 1 by 3 you keep it outside the integration. Okay, so 1 by 3 e power t will be there plus c. Right here 1 by 3 e power t is, sir, e power x cube plus c only. This is your answer, sir. 1 by 3 e power x cube plus c. Option is, I think option A only is correct. Please check. Option A is correct for question number 26. Simple problem. I said this. Very simple substitution. Question number 26 is done. Moving on to 27 now. This one, very, very simple, sir. Option D is correct. How come? Check this out. Take x power 10 plus 10 power x as my t. The denominator, what will happen to this? 10 times of x power 9. Differentiate this. And this will be 10 power x ln 10 equals to dt by dx. Cross multiply. What are you going to get? 10 times of x power 9 plus 10 power x times of ln 10 times dx equals to dt. Same things over here in the numerator. Please check. 10 times of x power 9, 10x ln 10. Have a look. That's going to be dt. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Correct, no? This whole thing will become integration of dt by t, sir. So log t, right? Hence this thing. Log of x power 10 plus 10 power x. Question 27 is done. 28th now. Okay. What we have for this? Integration of 1 upon x times x minus root x, x minus root x. Okay, difficult right now, but if I take root x common, so what will happen then? Think about it. It becomes a root x minus 1. It becomes a root x minus 1. Now if you're smart enough, what you can do is pick the answer right directly. Wherever you have log of root x minus 1, that is your answer. Log of root x minus 1. Where is that, bacha? Over here and over here. Can this be the answer, sir? Of course not. Think about it. We have a root x part as well. It means it will create 1 by 2. So of course answer has to be option number D. This is the way to pick the right answer, bacha. I'll show you how. Don't worry. Take here root x minus 1 as t. Differentiate now. You're going to get here 1 by 2 root x in the denominator, and this will become, sir, dt by dx. Okay. Separate this. You're going to get here, sir, dx by root x equals to 2 dt. So this whole thing will become into, please check, 1 by t is there, and this bacha, this dx by root x bacha will become 2 dt. Integrate now. You have 2 outside. Answer is log t. Of course, plus c. 2 times of log root of x minus 1. Of course, plus c is there. Log t, right? 1 by t is there, no? So log t will come. T is root x minus 1. Hence, this is the answer. Log 2 log root x minus 1 plus c. Option is t. That's how you pick the answer. Simple enough. 29th one. Okay. 1 plus, okay, 1 upon x plus x log x. Okay, take x common again. Same approach. 1 plus log x. Okay, integral of this with dx. What is the answer, sir? What is the answer, sir? Think about it. Same thing, no, sir. Will you have over here again 2? 1 plus log x. Where is it there, bacha? It's here, sir, and it's here, sir. It's here and here. Okay. No. Not option A, right? Option C is there actually. Excuse me. 1 plus log x I'm looking for, right? Option C. Which one is the right answer, bacha? Option C is the right answer. Please check. Take here. Log x is simply t. Differentiate now. 1 by x equals to dt by dx. So I get here dx by x equals to dt, right? So this bacha, this part will become dt, sir, directly over here. This part will become dt, sir, directly. Okay, I'm talking about this part. Right? So what I have? dt by t. What is the answer? Log of t plus c. So log of t is what, bacha? T is log x, right? Sorry, 1 plus log x, right? This whole thing. This is 0, right? Of course. It will become 1 plus log x. Have a look. I forgot to take here 1, but it's going to be 1 plus log x only. This whole thing I'm taking as t actually, not just log x, whole thing. Okay, so what I get now, this is the option. C is correct. Log of 1 plus log x, of course, plus c is there. Okay, I'm not pushing my effort over here because not required, no. Okay, if you still feel that there is a doubt, let me know in the comment section. Okay, 29th is done. Moving on to question number 30 now. What about this question? Very difficult? Of course not, sir. Check here. I have the function over here. Of course, this has to be derivative. That's why they have given, right? But right now it doesn't look like it. X square is going to be 2x, okay? X will be 1, sir, but we have 2 and 2 here extra. Do one thing, no, take 2 common. Take 2 common, so it becomes 2x plus 1 integral of x square plus x plus 1. Then, sir, you take with dx. Now you take this x square plus x plus 1 as t. Now differentiate. You get here as 2x plus 1 equals to dt and comes here dx. Now combine this, bacha. Combine this part with this part. What are you going to get? dt, sir, directly. That's going to be dt, sir. Your integration will become 2 outside. You will have root of t dt, sir. Very simple, no? What is the answer going to be? 2 times of 3 by 2. Okay. And you will have t power 3 by 2. 2 is cancelled, sir. Your answer going to be t power 3 times of t power 3 by 2 plus c. Look for the right answer. 3 is there and the whole thing with the power 3 by 2. 3 is there. Okay. Please check. Okay, no, 1 second. I have made a mistake. Sir. Not multiplication, division, sir. Not differentiation. No, it's an integration, right? Division, sir. Excuse me. I did the division over here. This is going to be 3 by 2, right? Divided with. Forgive me for this mistake. Very silly mistake. Okay. Now take this 2 upside. It becomes a 4 by 3 and t power 3 by 2 plus C. Check which option is right. Only one option is like that. Option number A. 4 by 3, this is going to be T only, no, this whole thing. Power 3 by 2 plus C. I made a mistake, okay, I multiplied it. You have to divide by, right? X power n minus 1, so n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. The formula. Remember this. X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus C. That's the formula for integration of x power n. Please check. This is clear. Moving on to question number 31 now. Integration of cos x 1 plus sin x, bacha. Very simple approach again, same thing. Take here 1 plus sin x as t, okay. Question number 31, okay. It becomes a cos x dx equals to simply dt. You have something like this over here, please check. So this will become dt by root t. What does it become, bacha? It becomes integration of t power minus 1 by 2 dt. So I have here, sir, t power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c. So will become what, sir? 2 will come in the numerator, and we have 2 t power 1 by 2 plus c. What is t value, sir? 1 plus sin x. So 2 times of 1 plus sin x, of course in the root, because of the power of 1 by 2. 2 times of 1 plus sin x in the root, sir. Option B is correct. Please check. Option B is correct. Very simple. Yes. Moving on to question number 32 now. Let's move on. Sin 2x cos 3x, sir. Sin A cos B. Formula is very simple. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. Sum and difference formula. 1 by 2 sin of 2x plus 3x plus sin of 2x minus 3x, right? Correct, no? This is the sum of the formula. Sin A, sin B. Sin of A plus B, half of sin of A plus B, plus sin of A minus B. What I get over here? 1 by 2 sin 5x minus sin x. How come, sir? 2x minus 3x, bacha, is going to be minus x, no? Sin of minus x is how much? Minus sin x. What formula I'm using? Sin A, sin B, bacha. 2 sin A, sin B. This formula, sir. 2 sin A, cos B. 2 sin A, cos B, sir. Sin A plus B and plus sin A minus B. Okay. Alright, what we get from here? Please check. Integration is there, right? So integrate now with dx. We'll get to, for this, it will become minus cos 5x by 5. Integration of sin, sir, is going to be negative of cos. Over here again, you'll have minus of minus of plus. Right? There's a minus sign already. Integration of sin will be negative again. There's a minus sign already. Integrate sin will be again negative. Become plus, so plus cos x. Okay. And there's a plus c, of course. What is the answer going to be? Option number B looks right. Option number B looks right. Please check. Option B is correct answer. If you're getting different answer, let me know in the comment section. If you're anybody who's getting an answer, let's say as D or something else like that, you let me know. I'll discuss with you in the comment section. Question number 32, B is the right answer. 33 now. What about this? Do you have to do anything, sir? Of course not, sir. The right answer no for this. Particular function, option A is correct, sir. 1 by 2a, a plus x upon a minus x. A plus x upon a minus x. Please check. It's a formula, sir, in NCERT. We have learnt it, of course. Okay. We don't have to derive it over here. It's MCQ. What about this, sir? This is the approach on this. Question number 34. E power x, look for this f of x inside, and derivative also you look for inside. Okay. The answer will be simply what, sir? E power x into f of x plus c. Over here you can check here, this part is f of x, sir. And this part is, sir, f dash of x. How come? Check this out. Take f of x as 1 by x. So f of x as x power minus 1. Derivative will become minus 1, x power minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 upon x power 2. So answer is going to be what, bacha? E power x into 1 upon x plus c. So e power x upon x. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Very simple, right? This property, e power x into f of x plus f dash of x times of dx equals to e power x times of f of x plus c. Okay. 35 now. What about this? Very difficult question. Very, very simple. Formula, sir. Tan inverse of x. From where to where, sir? The limit is given. 1 to root 3. Put here. Tan inverse of root 3, right? minus tan inverse of 1, right? This is a pi by 6. Okay, this is a pi by 4. What is this, bacha? Oh, sorry, pi by 6, no, pi by 3, right? Excuse me. Pi by 3. 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees, sir. And this is 45 degrees, bacha. What is the difference? 15 degrees. No, 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 yes. This is 90, this is 45, this is 30, and this is 5 by 12 is what, bacha? 15 degrees. Option is 15 degrees only. What is the option? 15 degrees only. Please check. Option D is correct. Have a look. 35 is done. Simple question. Moving on to question number 36 now. 0 to pi by 4 tan x integration. Okay. Integration of tan x, bacha. How much is that? Tan x, sir. dx. Either write minus log cos x or simply log sin x. Sorry, sec x. Log sec x you can write, or write minus log cos x. Your choice. Okay. Plus c, of course. Okay, there's no need of plus c. Is a definite integral. 0 to pi by 4. Put the values here. Put the upper limit. So log of sec pi by 4 minus log of sec 0 degrees. Okay. Sec 0 is, sir, log of 1, no? Please check. So log sec pi by 4, sir. Cos pi by 4 is, bacha, 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 is cos 45, 1 by root 2. Sec will become simply root 2. So log root 2. And, sir, sec 0 is cos 0 is 1. So sec 0 is also 1 only. So log 1. Log 1 is nothing but 0. What is the answer, bacha? Log of root 2. Log of root 2. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Please check. Option B is correct. 36 is done. 37th now. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine power 7 dx. Of course, sir, 0. Without anything we will do. Sir, sine power 7 will be a odd function. Put here sine minus x power 7, sir, will become, bacha, minus sine x power 7, sir, will become, bacha, minus sine 7x. So if you take here f of minus x, you're getting what, bacha? You're getting here minus f of x. So odd function, right? And for odd function from minus a to a, if the fx is odd, you get the answer to be 0. You get the answer to be 0. That's the property of different integral, right? So option is C. Please check. Okay, please check. Question number 37 is very, very simple. 38 now. Same property, bacha. This is even, sir. This is odd, sir. How do you prove it? Take fx equals to x power 17 and cos 4x. Okay. Find this f of minus x. You get, bacha, minus of x power 17. And this, bacha, cos of minus x to the whole power 4. This is going to be, sir, minus x power 17 and simply cos 4x. Correct, na? Cos of minus x is how much, sir? Cos of minus x is cos x only. Okay. Cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse of x. Cos of minus x is how much, sir? Cos x only. Fourth quadrant, cos is positive, right? Okay. So this is going to be, sir, what, bacha? This will become minus f of x, hence odd, hence 0. Option C is correct. This whole thing, this part is even, this part is odd, but product of even and odd, bacha. Okay, please check. Okay, odd and even will give me a minus sign over here. Okay, minus fx will become odd only. Okay, don't think like this, 3 into 2. Don't think like this, 3 into 2, sir. Is 6, no, even, sir. No. This will be giving me plus side only. This will be giving me minus sign only. Okay. So I'll have but what? Minus fx. No? Minus fx, bacha. Please check. Okay. Chaliye. So answer is option number C, sir. Great. Moving on to question number 39 now. Minus 1 to 1, same thing here. Even part, odd part. Answer will be, sir, 0 again. So I've taken here because questions come in various form, bacha. Can come in any form they have given. Answers will be always 0. Look for odd and even. Okay, look for odd and even. How to check, bacha? Same approach. Find here f of minus x. If it comes out to be minus fx, it means odd, sir. It means odd. If it is even, but what will happen? It will become, so the answer will be 2 times of the same integral, 0 to a actually. If fx is even, right, There's a property, no? If fx is even, it will become 2 times of fx from 0 to a. Please check. Moving on to 40 now. X cube minus x square plus x minus 1 dx integration by x minus 1. Okay, very difficult. Take x square common here in the first 2 term. I get x minus 1 over here. Take here plus 1 common. I get here x minus 1 here. Divide by x minus 1. We have dx, of course. Cancel this with 2 terms. Can you cancel like this, sir? Of course, taking it common and then cancelling it, right? Okay, so it will become x square plus 1 integration from where to where? There's no limit over here. This is there? No, sir. So answer will become x cube by 3 plus x plus c. X cube by 3 plus x plus c, sir. Okay, x cube by 3 plus x plus c. So your answer would be, which option correct? Option is, I think, B, right? B, right? There's a plus sign, of course, not a negative. Okay, there's a plus sign, plus 1, that's why. Okay, so option number B is correct. Have a look. Okay, moving on to question number 41 now. If d by dx fx equals to 4x cube minus 3x power 4 such that f of 2 is 0. Why they have given this, sir? To find the value of the constant c. Okay, they're asking you the value of fx. Okay, let's do that. So d of fx is equals to 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4 dx. Integrate now. What do you get, sir? This side you get fx. This side you get, sir, 4x power 4 by 4. Integration of x cube. 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, so 4 by 4. Minus here, bacha, will become minus 3. X power 3 will become, and you'll have again 1 by minus 3 plus c. Not sure? Do the integration. I have what, bacha, over here? I have x power minus 4, no? This will become x power minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1. How much is that? X power minus 3. So I've written here x power 3 in the denominator, right? And you have divided by minus 4 plus 1. How much is that? Minus 3 only. Okay, so cancel this and this. Okay, what we have over here is 4 also cancelled. X power 4 is there. I have cancelled with plus sign, no? So I'm getting here plus over here. 3 also is cancelled. 1 upon x cube plus c. This is the value of your function fx. Value of the function fx. Okay, please check. F of x. They've given here f of 2 also as 0. So right here, f of 2 equals to 2 power 4 plus 1 upon 8 plus c. They've given here f of 2 is 0. So write 0 equals to 16 plus 1 by 8 plus c. Right here, take the LCM. 8 is LCM, 16 8 is 128 plus 1. 6 8 is 48, carries 4, 8 1 is 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, keep here c as it is, 0 as it is. 0 equals to 129 by 8 plus c. It means c is equal to minus 129 by 8. Alright, so now put the values in. What do we get in this thing only? Fx. So fx will become from here x power 4 plus 1 by x cube minus sign, this c value, bacha, this c value from here, minus sign 129 by 8. Any option like this? Option A is correct. Here is plus, okay, here this is negative, but this is x power 4. Option A is correct. Please check. Okay, option A is correct. Alright, sir. So 41 is done. Please have a look. 41 is done, sir. Option A is correct. Very good question. We have to find the value of C. 42 now. We have something over here. I'll erase that. Let's start with the question now. 42. Okay, we have this integration here as dx upon e power x plus e power minus x is there. Do one thing. Multiply everything with e power x. Both up and down. Both multiply with e power x. What do you get? Please check. So what you get over here is e power x dx in the numerator, and you get here e power x into this first one will become e power 2x, and this will become so simply 1. How come, sir? E power x, bacha, into e power minus x will become, sir, e power x minus x. E power 0, sir, how much is that? 1. That's written here, 1. Check this out. There's a plus sign, not a minus sign. There's a plus sign. Okay, this becomes, now I have to take the substitution now. E power x as t, sir. Check this out. Differentiate now. It will become e power x dx equals to dt. Change the integration. Accordingly, it will become dt upon t square plus 1. E power 2x is there, right? So e power x the whole square. So t square plus 1 tan inverse of t plus c. Tan inverse of e power x plus c. Option is A. Simple question. Okay, simple problem. Please have a look. 42 is done. Okay, moving on to 43 now. Integrate dx upon sine square of x cos square x. Difficult question? Of course not, sir. Integration of this bacha. Keep here dx as it is and write here 1. Sine square x dx. Okay, excuse me, not dx, cos square x, right? Cos square x bacha. Okay, right here cos square x. Right here one as this one as identity. Sine square x plus cos square x divided by sine square x into cos square x dx. Now separate bacha both the terms with plus sign. This by this, this by this. With the plus sign will separate the fraction. What I'm gonna get? Sine square x upon sine square x cos square x plus cos square x upon sine square x and cos square x. We have again integration outside and with dx over here. So sine square will be cancelled like this, cos square will be cancelled like this. What I get now? Bracket is there, 1 upon cos square, so sec square x, and I get here 1 upon sine square, so simply cosec square x with dx. Integrate now. This will become sir tan x after integration. This will become sir minus cot x. Of course plus c will come. Tan x minus cot x plus c. Tan x minus cot x plus c. Option number B is correct. Option number B is correct. Please check. Tan x minus cot x plus c is right. Have a look. 43 is done. Okay. Moving on to question number 44 now. Sin square x upon 1 plus cos x dx. How do you solve it, sir? Same approach, bacha. Very same approach. Right here sin square x as in terms of cos square x. So right here it will become 1 minus cos square x upon 1 plus cos x dx. So it will become 1 minus cos x 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Of course there is a dx over here. Integrate now. Right? What will happen, sir? This will cancel each other. Integrate 1, it will become x. Integrate cos, it will become sin x plus c. For 1 it will be x, for cos it will be simply sin. Answer is x minus sin x plus c. Option A is right. Option number A is correct. Let's move on to question number 45 now. Okay. Cos 2x upon sin x plus cos x the whole square dx. Okay. Can you solve this, sir? Of course we can solve it, sir. Very simple. Cos 2x, sir, we have a formula. Remember this. Cos 2 theta, bacha, this becomes equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Same thing I'm going to use over here. It will become cos square x minus sin square x upon sin x plus cos x ka whole square. We have dx, of course. Now I can write this as cos x minus sin x times of cos x plus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x the whole square. We have dx, of course. Now this part is cancelling this part. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is take sin x plus cos x as t. Think about it. I have only this and this left. There's no power over here. Okay. If I take sin x plus cos x as t, it will become 1 by this, 1 by t. And if you differentiate this part, it will become, sir, cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x, and cos will become minus sin x. There will be dx, of course, from the other side. You'll get here this as dx equals to dt. Check this out. Cos x minus sin x dx. Cos x minus sin x dx. Cos x minus sin x dx. So I have dt in the numerator. Very simple now. dt upon t, sir, integration. So log of t plus c. So log of, what is t, bacha? Sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x plus c. This is your final answer. Please have a look. Option number B is correct. Option number B is correct. Done. Question number 45, option B is correct. Moving on to question number 46 now. Have a look. What is this, bacha? By parts, sir. By parts. Okay. Solve it. I let we have the preference known as, first you're going to take bacha for algebra, then comes exponential function. We have x and ex, right? This is my function number 1 and this is my function number 2. Okay, so what are you going to do? Keep the integration like this. It will become, so 1 second, I'll put a bracket over here using the limit at the end. So it will become, so x will be kept as it is, integration of e power x dx will be there, minus sign. Differentiate x bacha will become 1. Differentiate the first function becomes 1. Again integrate e power x dx. One more integration is there. So with dx from where to where? From 0 to 1. We'll do it later. It will become x e power x minus e power x from where to where? 0 to 1. So what I get? X e power, so we can take bacha e power x common, no? We can take, sir, e power x common, okay? Let's just do that. Take here e power x common. X minus 1 we have from where to where? From 0 to 1. Put here upper limit as 1. You get here this value as e power, okay, it'll become 0, sir, actually. How come? Put x as 1. This will be 1 minus 1, no? X as 1. 1 minus 1 is, sir, 0. So upper limit is 0. Okay. Now you put minus sign lower limit, bacha. E power 0. So e power 0 is, sir, simply e power 0 like this, and it will become, sir, minus 1. Please check. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. What I'm getting now? I'm getting here 0 minus e power 0 is 1 only, no? So minus 1 I get this as plus 1 as my final answer. Plus 1 is my final answer. Option is B, bacha. Option is B. Very simple question of by parts. Minus of minus 1 becomes plus 1, right? Option is 47. If fx equals to t sin t dt 0 to x, then find fx dx. Okay. You have to find bacha fx. Okay. Chaliye. How do you find, sir, in terms of x actually? So please check this out. How do you find bacha function fx? How do you find that, sir? We'll integrate this by parts. It'll become, sir, 0 to x. Okay. And we have t sin t dt, of course. This is my function number 1, this is my function number 2. How come, sir? Again, same thing. I let, so algebra has the preference. Okay. So what is that going to be? This will become, sir, t as it is. Integrate sign. It will become minus cos t. Okay. Minus sign will be there, bacha. You will have this differentiation of t as 1. And then integration of this as minus cos t. Okay. Minus cos t. And then you have again dt over here. Alright. And then this will become minus cos t with t, of course, and here I have plus cos t is there. Okay, this integration, of course, with dt. Please check. It will become, so minus t cos of t plus sin t from where to where, sir? From 0 to x, bacha. The limit is given 0 to x. Okay, put here x as the limit. So minus x cos x I'm getting plus sin x I'm getting. Okay. Now if you put 0, this will become 0, no? 0 into anything will be 0, and sin 0 is 0 only, sir. Put as lower limit 0, it will become 0 into anything, 0, sin 0 is 0. What is my answer? This part, okay. I'm going to get this as sin x minus x cos x. This is the value of my function fx. Function fx. Option is, okay, option is D. Option D is correct, okay. Question number 48, let's move on to question number 48 from matrices. Let's solve these questions very quickly. Okay, so far we have done integration, differentiation, ITF, relation and functions. Okay, now we are moving to matrices, sir. If X is a matrix of order 2 cross n and Z is a matrix of order 2 cross p, X is of the order 2 cross n, okay, and Z is of the order 2 cross p. We are doing this, no? 2x minus 5z can be done only if order is same. Order is same, sir. Okay, it means the order, if n equals to p, of course, n has to be equal to p, then order of this bacha has to be same thing only, right? Order has to be same thing only. So option either this or this. Look for that. 2 cross n or 2 cross p. 2 cross n or 2 cross p. This is not right. P cross 2 is not right, bacha. P cross 2 is not right. 2 cross n is right. How come, sir? Why not P cross 2 is right? We're looking for 2 cross P actually. How come? Let's say if I have the order is 2 cross 3 over here, will it be same as 3 cross 2? Can we say 2 cross 3 and 3 cross 2 is same? No, right? So that's why 2 cross p and p cross 2 is not same. Right option is 2 cross n. So either the option has to be 2 cross n or 2 cross p. Okay, so option B is right. 49th now. For matrices A and B, AB is 0. Okay, then, okay, but option C is correct. No, for this, I have seen this in the multiplication, right? What happens in the multiplication? You take the row over here and of course column over here, then you add the elements, right? This into this plus this into this, right? Sometimes what happens is they give you the value to be simply 0. Even though the elements are not 0 over here, by adding, subtracting, what happens is answer comes as 0. Okay, so even though A is not 0 or B is not 0, the result can be 0. Okay, we have seen that in multiple occasions in our solving problems in matrices. So option is C. 50th now. If A equal to this such that A square is I, find the A square now. Find A square, bacha. So alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha with the same thing, A into A. Alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha. Multiply this with this. Alpha into alpha, sir, is alpha square. Beta into gamma, sir, plus beta gamma. Does others matters? No, sir. This will be 0. This will be 0. And whatever is here doesn't matter. This is equal to what, bacha? They've given here identity matrix of 2 order. I, right? Of the same order, no? What will happen, sir? It means alpha square plus beta gamma equals to 1. How come? Identity matrix, bacha, it will become 1 0 0 1, right? So compare the first term, first element. Alpha square plus beta gamma equals to 1. We don't have to do all the things. Only the first element is good enough. Alpha square plus beta alpha is equals to beta gamma equals to 1. So we can write from here 0 equals to 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma. Moving both the terms on this side. Option is C. Please check. Other is not suitable, bacha. Here we have plus sign, can't take. Only one is negative, can't take. Okay, so option has to be option number C. 51 question number. Let's solve this again. If A is a square matrix or such that A square is equals to A, very good, then find the value of this. Okay, I plus identity matrix I plus A the whole cube minus 7A. You know the formula for this whole cube? It will become I cube, sir. Then you'll have, sir, A cube. Okay, then you'll have, sir, plus 3A times of I plus A minus 7A, right? It will become, sir, I plus A square into A is A cube. It will become, sir, 3A plus 3A square. 3A into I is what, bacha? 3A only, no? 3A into I is, sir, 3A. 3A into is A square. We have, of course, here minus 7A. I as it is, it will become, sir, again A plus sign with A. This is nothing but A only, right? A square is A from here. Correct? No, they've given A square as A. Okay. So what I get now? 3A. Again, this will become, so 3A over here. Minus 7A I have. Take this out. I plus A square plus 6A minus 7A. What I'm getting now? I plus A plus 6A minus 7A. 6A plus 7A is 6A plus A, 7A. Cancelling this, what is the answer? Coming here as only I is left. Only this I is left. Option number D is correct. Option number D is correct, sir. Please check. Okay, moving on to question number 52 now. Alright, any doubt in this, let me know in the comment section. You will, of course. What they're saying is transpose of A plus A. This is a property, right? A plus AT. Property, sir. A plus AT is identity matrix, right? Do that. Cos alpha minus sin alpha. Okay. Then we have sin alpha, cos alpha, and transpose of this. Keep diagonal as it is, so it will become cos alpha only. What about this, sir? It will become sin will come over here, so minus sin alpha. This will become, sir, sin alpha. What I'm doing? Taking this like this. Changing the value of this, no? Sin alpha comes here, minus sin alpha, and this goes over there. So when you do that, so this is addition, right? Of course. Forgive me, this is addition, not multiplication, okay? I've taken this as multiplication, no? But this is actually addition. Alright, let me change that. Give me 1 second, I'll change this. This is addition. Add them. Cos plus cos. 2 cos alpha. Sin minus sin, 0. Sin minus sin, 0. 2 cos alpha. And this is equal to what, sir? Identity matrix. It means 1, 0, 0, 1. It means, vacha, compare it. From here, we get, sir, 2 cos alpha equals to 1. It means cos alpha equals to 1 by 2. Compare the elements, no? 2 cos alpha is 1. It means cos alpha is 1 by 2. Can be there only if alpha is pi by 3, 60 degrees. Pi by 3, 60 degrees. Option D is correct. Moving on to question number 53 now. Chaliye. So far so good. If A and B are matrices of order m cross n and n cross n, okay, let's write that. A is m cross n, okay, and B is n cross n. So what we can do is, can we find AB? We can. Number of columns over here is same as number of rows. So AB, yes. Can we find BA? BA, no sir. Think about it. If I write BA first, right here B, what is B sir? N cross n, right here A now. M cross n. Is this and this equal? N is not equal to M, means BA not possible. Can you find A square, bacha? A square. So A into A. A square is A into A, right? Can you find that? Check this out. We have M cross N over here and we have M cross N over here. Again, what we are getting? N and M. When N is not equal to M, sir. Of course, A square also not possible. What about B square, sir? Possible. We have square matrix, no? N cross N. We can take square of a square matrix, right? N cross N we can take, no? It will become N and N all the time, right? So we'll have B square is okay, AB is okay. Option is option D. Option D is right. I can't take A square also. M cross N into M cross N. We have N is the number of rows over here. M is the number of columns. Sorry, number of columns is N. Number of rows is M. Okay. 54th now. Determinants. Let A equals to 1. Okay. Fine. 1 sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 sin theta, minus 1 minus sin theta, 1. Then find the value of this. Let's do one thing. They're asking you to find the value of determinant, bacha. Determinant of A. Let's do that quickly. Across the first row, if I'm doing 1 times of 1 into 1 is 1. This will be minus sine square. If you subtract, it becomes plus sine square theta. There's a minus sine theta over here, of course. For the second element, negative sign is there. Cancel this and this, you get minus sine theta. Right? 1 into sine, minus sine is minus sine theta, and it becomes minus into sine. Minus sine theta, subtraction is there. So plus sine theta. I'll repeat myself, don't worry. 1 into minus sine theta is minus sine theta, and minus 1 into sine theta is bacha plus sine theta. Cancel out. 0. The last one. Plus 1 for this one. Okay, I have sine theta into minus sine theta. Sine square theta. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, but there is a subtraction. So plus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, but there is a subtraction, right? So plus 1. So what I'm getting now? Same thing is there. It will become 2 times of 1 plus sine square theta. This is 0, right? This whole thing is 0, of course. Minus sine plus sine gets cancelled, right? So whole thing is 0. The minimum value is bacha. Minimum value of this is 0 only. The minimum value of this is 0, sir. How come? Square term. Can it be negative? No. Means minimum will be 0. So what I get now? 1 plus 0 times of 2. How much is that? 2. Let's look at maximum value now. This can go bacha maximum till 1 only, right? Maximum value of sine theta is 1. So 1 square will be 1 only. So 2 times of 2, how much is that? 4. So your range is nothing but from 2 to 4. Minimum value is 2, maximum value is 4, sir. Minimum value is 2 and maximum value is 4, sir. Option is D. Don't take option C as right answer. It's open brackets. I can get 2 as the value. I can get 4 also as the value. 2 is coming, right? 4 is also coming. That's why I have to take 2 and 4 inclusive, not exclusive. So option C is not right. Option C is not right. Option D is correct. Please check option D is correct. 55 now. If A is a matrix of order 3 such that, okay, property is there, let's apply it. A adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A times of I. Correct, right? From where we get bacha determinant of A as 10. Okay, we are looking for this value. Adjoint of A ka determinant will become, sir, order minus 1. What is order, sir? 3. 10 power 2, so 100. Option D is right. Option D is correct. Please check. Simple question, right? Moving on to question number 56 now. In a square matrix A, sum of product of elements of a row with cofactors. So they are saying that, let's say A11 with cofactors of elements of any other row. Okay. So A12 like that. Acha, but sir, this will be 0, right? This will all be 0, no? We know that there's a property actually like this. A11 plus A12 and A12 plus A13 and A13 is 0, is going to be determinant of A, right? It's going to be determinant of A. Sir, you're saying same thing, no, bacha? Element and cofactor. Element and cofactor. A11 is the element, capital A11 is the cofactor. When you do that, you get the determinant. If you take something else, if you take something A12 over here or A21 over here, what will happen? It will become 0, bacha. It will become 0. So answer is 0. 56 is 0. Okay. If you take the same one, it will become determinant of A. Now, in a square matrix, sum of the product of elements of a row or column with their corresponding cofactor. This is going to be this, no? Same thing. I just wrote over here. With their corresponding cofactors. Means the same rows, corresponding cofactors, right? So the same thing will be there, no? A11, A11, A12, A12, A13 and A13 will be determinant of A. Option B is correct. 58 now. Singular matrix means determinant is 0. Singular is bacha, determinant is 0. Find the value of x. Do that. 1 times of minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 times of, from this I'm doing bacha, 2 times minus 2 times of, we'll get here minus 1 minus 2 and we get here 4 plus x as 1 minus 2 equals to 0. This is minus 2, this is minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6 plus x times of minus 1 equals to 0. So I get here plus 4 minus x equals to 0. It means x equals to plus 4. Option D is right, na? Please check. Please check, sir. Option D is correct. Simple problem only. Question number 59 now. If A equal to this, then A inverse exists. Exists means what, bacha? A has to be non-singular matrix, है ना? It means determinant of A has to be not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Let's do that. Let's find this then. I'll find across my column number 1. So 4 times of, take this out, 4 times of 6 minus 5 minus 0 times of anything, doesn't matter. And the last one with 1, I get here bacha plus 1 times of, I'm doing across this one, 1 times of 5 lambda plus 6 not equal to 0. What I have done, sir? Found the determinant across my first column, not the row, because there was 0, no? I got greedy. It'll be one term will be 0 only. I don't have to take care of that part. I'll get here 4 times of 1 plus here I get 5 lambda plus 6 not equal to 0, giving me this value to be 5 lambda plus 10 not equal to 0. Bring the 10 on this side. I get here 5 lambda not equal to minus 10. So I get here lambda not equals to minus 2. Option number C is correct. Please check. Option number C is correct. Let's move on to question number 60 now. Okay, 60 now. Okay, there's an equation given in matrix form, a square minus 4a plus I equal to 0. Then the inverse of a is how much? Okay, we have to find a inverse, right? It'll be easier if I have only I on the one side. Let's do that. So I'll get I equals to 4a minus a square. I've taken these two terms on this side of the equal to. Okay, now apply a inverse on all sides. I get a inverse of I equals to 4 times of a inverse of a minus a inverse of a square. So I get this as simply a inverse. This will be 4i. Simply will be a only, right? Correct, na? A inverse of a will be simply I. So can remove that. I have only one a left over here. So 4i minus a. Please check. Cross check from your side. Doubt if you have, let me know in the comment section. Question number D. Okay. I hope you guys don't have so many doubts, because we are doing so many questions. If everybody asks so many doubts, no, I'll be in trouble. But anything you have, any doubt you have, will come live and take off your doubts. I'm promising you. Okay. 60 is done. 61 now. If a equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2 of a, bacha. 2 of a. Okay. So we know this property, no? It becomes a 2 square determinant of a. Let's find determinant now. 4 minus 6, how much is that? Minus 2. So I get here, sir, 2 square minus 2 So 4 into minus 2, so 8 with a minus sign. What is the answer? Minus 8, right? Option D is correct. Option number D is correct. Please check. 5061 is also done. Okay. So having fun. Okay. I hope you enjoyed so far. We've done 61 questions so far. We have more to do. We'll do it right now. Okay. If A is an invertible matrix of order 2, then determinant of A inverse. This is a property, bacha. This is a property, right? 1 upon this. So 1 upon determinant of A. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay. Chaliye. Now moving on to 63 now. The inverse of the matrix. First for inverse, what we've checked for? Singularity, right? How much is that going to be? 12 minus 12. How much is that? 0. So we say singular matrix. Singular matrix. Inverse does not exist. Does not exist. Option D is correct. Not existing in nature. Chaliye. 64 now. Probability now, sir. Okay, let's do a fun chapter now. What we have, if A and B are two events such that A is a subset of B, okay, PB is non-zero, then which of the following is correct? Check here, we are looking for conditional probability of A when B has already occurred. Okay, let's define that very simply. PA, B has already occurred, B by PB. What it means, sir? A is here, B is here. Intersection of A and B, bacha, is going to be A only, right? So right here, PA by PB. है ना? A is subset of B means A is here, B is here. Intersection of A and B is simply A, written here A. So far I'm getting now conditional probability of A when B has already occurred given by PA by PB. Alright, we also know one thing, that sir, PB will be always less than equal to 1. Right? So from here we get, sir, that 1 by PB will be nothing but, bacha, always greater than equal to 1. Correct? Greater than equal to 1, sir. Of course, now multiply PA on both sides. You get here PA by PB greater than equal to PA. This value is what, bacha? From here we can write this PA by B. The LHS will become PA conditional B greater than PA, sir. Option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. A very good question. A very, very good question. Please check. HOTS question. This is your HOTS category question, bacha. It will take some effort to understand and solve this. But now if you have, you're gonna get this answer right in the examination. Right? 65th now. Question number 65. Please check. PA conditional B is greater than PA. PA conditional probability that B has already occurred greater than PA. Write this definition. I get here P A intersection B upon PB greater than PA. Cross multiply, sir. B greater than PA into PB divided by PA, sir. Why by PA, bacha? Check here, we have PBA, PBA, PBA like this. That's why. Right here, PA intersection B divided by PA greater than PA times PB divided by PA. Cancelled. This will become, bacha, what? Please check. It will become, sir, PB conditional that A has already occurred greater than PB, sir. Option like this is option C. Option C is correct. Moving on to question number 66 now. 65 is done. Please have a look. It's a very good question again. HOTS problem, sir. Simple problems in probability is very simple, bacha. That's why I've taken only HOTS. Chaliye. Moving on to question number 66. If A and B are two independent events, then the probability of occurrence of at least one of A and B. Okay. So independent, right? It means P A intersection B will be nothing but PA into PB. Right? PA into PB. All right. Also sir, right here, at least one means A or B. Correct na? At least one means A or B. It becomes bacha P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Correct? Right? Now we apply this first equation in the second one. P of A plus P of B minus P of A into P of B. Take here bacha, in the first one PB is common. So I get here plus PB is common. I get here 1 minus P of A. 1 minus P of A. What is 1 minus P of A, sir? Simply PA dash. Okay. Write this again. 1 minus PA dash. I'm writing this PA as 1 minus PA dash. And this also same thing. This will become PA dash. Please check. Here I'm writing 1 minus PA, 1 minus PA as PA dash. I'm writing here PA as 1 minus PA dash. Correct now? You know this property, right? PA plus PA dash is nothing but 1, right? So 1 minus PA is PA dash and PA is nothing but 1 minus PA dash. Okay. Now from the two equations that we have over here, I take PA dash common. So what I get? One is as it is. I take PA dash common. So I get bacha here. Please check. It'll become, sir, what I have negative I've taken common, right? So I'll have here 1 minus PB. Correct now? I've taken minus sign also common. It'll become positive 1. It'll become minus to make it positive. What I'm getting now, 1 minus PA dash. What is this bacha? Same property will hold true for B also. So PB dash. So my result is nothing but 1 minus PA dash times PB dash. So P of A union B. At least A or B will be giving me 1 minus PA dash times of PB dash. Option number C is correct. Please check. Question number 66 is over. Moving on to 67 now. Probability of solving a specific problem independently by A and B. Okay. PA is nothing but 1 by 2 and PB is nothing but 1 by 3. Also they are saying that they are independent events, bacha. It means PA intersection B is nothing but PA into PB, sir. Okay. Chaliye. So basically 1 by 6. Basically 1 by 6. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. What are they asking? Probability that exactly one of them solve the problem. So means probability that only A solves, only A or only B solves. Right? Only A or only B. So only A plus only B. Only A plus only B. What is only A, bacha? P of A minus P of A intersection B. Correct, na? Think about it. That is universe over here. Okay, I can make the circle smaller. 1 second you give me. Let's say over here I have A, over here I have B. This is bacha A, right? Only A means this bacha. This is the meaning of only A. Remove this intersection. A intersection B you have to remove, right? That's what I've done over here. Same way, P of only B. So P of B minus P of A intersection B. 1 second. P of A intersection B, right? Okay, sir. So, bacha, what I have? PA going to be 1 by 2. P is going to be 1 by 2. They have given it already over here. Please check. Right? P is going to be 1 by 2. And PB is, sir, I write it here as plus 1 by 3. And write here minus 2 times of PA intersection B, sir. Correct, now? This is right. Okay. Now, what I'm getting now over here, this as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 2 times of 1 by 6. How come, sir? This here is coming as 1 by 6. Please check. From here I'm using 1 by 6, sir. So it will become 1 by 3. I'm getting here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Cancelling, cancelling. The result is 1 by 2. Either only A or only B. Okay. So answer is going to be 1 by 2. Option D is right. Please check. Question number 67 is also over. A very good question. Very, very good question. Okay. Chaliye. Question number 67 is done. 68 now. A man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. Okay. So he throws a die and reports that it is a 6. Okay, so chances of getting bacha 6 is going to be what, sir? If you throw any die, chance of getting 6, 1 by 6 times. Only one time you can get 6, sir, in a fair die. And not getting 6 bacha will be what? 5 by 6 times. Okay, a man speaks truth bacha. It means, and what are they asking? Probably that it is actually a 6. Okay, they're asking, sir, he reports something and it is coming as 6. 1 second. Ulta na, sir. He first reported right, actually a 6, and he already reported. Okay, they're asking you this value, looking for that it is after the report actually coming as 6. Okay, so we'll solve this for later. Right now, what can we write is he reports something and it's coming as 6 only. Event is bacha. What is event, sir? Event for getting a 6. Event for getting a 6. Okay, it'll be 1 by 6, right? So it'll be what, sir? 3 by 4. He reports right. He reports means he's getting a 6 and he reports right. So 3 by 4 is speaking truth. Okay, and he reports but getting not a 6. So that's a lie, right? 1 by 4. He reports it's a 6 but not gets a 6. That's a lie. Okay, so 1 by 4. Now what are we looking for? We're looking for the Bayes theorem. Let's use the formula from the Bayes theorem. What we have, sir? So we're gonna get this as from here PE1R means actually a 6 when report is already been given by the guy, okay, by the man, coming here as PRE1 times PE1 divided by same thing, bacha, what is going to be denominator? Sir, conditional probability, sir. Sorry, total probability, sir. What is denominator, sir? Total probability. So it becomes a PRE1 times of E1, PE1 of course. 1 second. PE1, sir. 1 second, let me just write it properly. PE1, sir, plus PRE2 times of PE2, sir. Okay, what we have now, please check. PE1 R will be given by, we have the values now. This bacha is going to be 3 by 4. 3 by 4 times of PE1, sir, 1 by 6 divided by, same thing will repeat over here for the first term in the denominator, plus over here, sir, what we have 1 by 4 times of 5 by 6. 1 by 4 times of 5 by 6, sir. Check this out. I have 24 over here. 4 into 6, 4 into 6, 4 into 6 is cancelled. What I'm left with? 3 in the numerator. Over here I have 3 plus 5. Answer is 3 by 8, sir. Answer is 3 by 8, sir. Have a look. 3 by 8, option C is correct. Option number C is correct. I hope this is all visible to you. Have a look, please. Okay, I'll give you a second. Then move on to question number 69. Okay. Chaliye. Now from AOD, sir, let's solve this question. The rate of change of area of a circle. Okay. What is area, sir? 2 pi r square, no? Pi r square, sir, is the area. Okay. So it'll become, sir, what, bacha? 2 pi r. Okay. But I have 2 times of pi and r value is given as 3, sir. So it'll become 6 pi. Answer is, sir, 6 pi, option number A. Option number A. Please check. Let me know if you're getting a different answer. Okay. Please let me know. 69 is done. 70th we'll solve now. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at a speed of, okay, they've given here, sir, in this case di by dt they have given 4 centimeter per second, and at the instant when the radius is given as 10 centimeter, this is your radius value as 10. Okay, the rate of change in the area. So dA by dt will be nothing but d by dt of pi r square. So I get here as 2 pi r dr by dt. What I have, 2 times of pi times of 10. R is 10, right? This is 4 given here. 4, sir. It will become 4 to the 10 into 8. So 80 pi. 80 pi. 80 pi is the correct option. C. Please check. 70th is also done. Question number 70 is also done. Let's move on to question number 71, sir. The interval in which the function given like this is increasing. Are all real? A, sir. Why, bacha? Think about it. Why, sir? If you take the derivative over here, it will become 3, no? So positive. Where, sir? At all real. For any x equals to all real numbers, positive. Anyway, bacha, what will happen? It will become, sir, this is a graph, right? X is 0, y is 17 by y is 17, okay? And y0 is going to be 17 by 3, right? So it's going to be a positive value, increasing all the time. All the time is a linear function, right? So your answer is option number A. For all real numbers, the function is increasing in nature. Okay? Function is increasing in nature. Have a look. Move from this to this side. Across x, y is increasing, sir. Y is increasing, sir. Question number 71, option is A, bacha. Please check. Option is A, sir. Clear, right? Not a doubt at all. 72 now. The interval in which fx is increasing. Let's solve this now. Derivative you have to find, bacha. You have to use the first derivative test. 4x minus 3 will put it equals to 0 to get what, bacha? Critical point. It will become x equals to 3 by 4. Plot on the number line 3 by 4. Take a number on the right side of this. I get 1. Put here as 1. What I get? Please check. What I get? If you put x as 1 over here, you get 4 minus 3, which is positive. Right? Put x as 0 over here, you get minus 3, so negative. 0 is on this side, right? Over this side you have positive. This is going to be what? Till infinity. This is going to be till negative infinity. What are you looking for? Increasing function, right? Means you're looking for derivative to be positive, right? What is the answer? Option number A is correct. From here to this side. From here to this side, 3 by 4 to infinity. Option number A is correct. 22 is done. 72 is done, sir. Very simple question. Which test we have done over here? First derivative test. Please check. Done. Moving on to question number 73 now. The interval in which fx equals to log x is increasing, bacha. Log x, sir. Draw the graph. Like this, no? 0 to infinity. Option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. Okay. If you take the other one, they will be decreasing all the time, but we are looking for increasing, right? So after we consider the x to be, or the base to be, of course, greater than 1, sir. Greater than 1, bacha. This A is, of course, greater than 1, sir. Please check. Alright. So answer is 73C from the definition only. 74 now. The minimum value of this, 0 only, right? Minimum value of this, bacha, 0 only. Option A is correct. Looking at the question, getting the answer. That's how quickly you can solve this kind of questions. Looking at the question, getting the answer as 0. Moving on to 75 now. Maximum value of this, sir. Maximum value of this. This is a negative value. Negative or 0. This value is, sir, always negative or 0. Okay. Means this maximum fx is maximum when bacha, this thing will become 0, when this value minus x minus 1 the whole square will be equal to 0. Correct. Now because if you take negative number, you'll get lesser value, right? So the maximum value will come only when this is equal to 0. And what is that value, sir? So fx maxima will be nothing but 10. Completely logical problem, sir. Completely logical problem. Negative is there, right? Square means completely positive. Negative will be making completely negative. So this function is always negative or 0. Negative or 0. So fx is maximum when this value will be 0, sir. Hence fx max will be option B, 10. Please check. 75th question is also done. Question number 76 now. In second derivative test. Okay. First derivative at C is 0. Second derivative is greater than 0 for some. Okay, second derivative, bacha, is greater than 0, right? It means minima, no? Very simple, sir. Local minima. Local minima, bacha. Okay. Option is D. Whenever you have second derivative as less than 0, it becomes maxima. Here greater than 0 means minima. Greater than 0 means local minima. Less than 0 means local maxima. Okay. In the second derivative test. In the second derivative test, sir. Please check. Okay, done. 77 now. The minimum value of the function given by fx. Okay, 0 to 1 will not exist, sir. Does not exist, bacha. Think about it. If they have given that fx equals to x, okay, and starting from 0, open is there, na? Maximum value is what, bacha? The maximum value is nothing but 1 over here, and the minimum value is what, sir? Does not exist, because 0 is open, sir. 0 is open here. 1 is close, so maximum is 1, but minimum is dne, so does not exist. Option D is correct. Question number 78 now. 77 is done. Now vector algebra question. Let's solve this quickly. They're given two vectors like this: xi cap 2j cap plus 2 plus zk cap, and 2i cap plus yj cap plus k cap are equal only when x is this, y is this, and z is this. So x is nothing but, sir, 2, y is again, sir, 2, and z is, sir, 1. 2 to 1. Option C is right. Okay, moving on to question number 79. We are doing now vector algebra. Chaliye. So I hope you are having, if you are having a doubt, no, you let me know in the comment section. If you want more questions, you let me know that in the comment section as well. Okay, any more question you want, let me know. If I missed something, let me know that as well. Question number 79. The vector joining the points this and this directed from P to Q. So they are asking bacha PQ vector. So we'll take from where to where? Minus I, minus 2, so minus 1, minus 2, I cap, plus minus 2, minus 3, j cap, plus minus 4, minus 0, k cap. What is the answer, sir? Minus 3 I cap, minus 5 j cap, and minus 4 k cap, sir. Minus 3, minus 5, minus 4. Option is B. Simple as it is. From P to Q, right? So Q minus P we have to do for the coordinates. Please check. Moving on to question number 80 now. The value of lambda for which the vectors are collinear. Okay, we know this property, right? B will be equal to lambda times of A. The only we can say this collinear, right? Check here. We have, sir, 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap, and the other one is, sir, minus 4i cap, and we have bacha plus lambda j cap minus 8k cap. Check here, into minus 2. Okay, here also do this, minus 3 into minus 2. How much is that going to be? 6. So lambda value is coming as 6, sir. Here also you can check, into minus 2. 4 into minus 2 is how much, bacha? Minus 8, no? 2 into minus 2 is how much, sir? Minus 4. So minus 3 into minus 2 will be plus 6. So lambda value has to be plus 6. Option B is correct. Moving on to question number 81 now. A dot B equals to minus AB. Okay. The angle between A and B is what, sir? A dot B is given by AB cos theta. Cos theta is negative, right? When cos theta equals to minus 1, it means theta has to be equal to pi, right? So option has to be C, sir. Cos pi is minus 1, right? So angle has to be pi. Angle between them is, angle between A and B is pi, sir. Please check. Okay. Question number 82 now. A dot A is 0. A dot A, right? It will become, sir, A mod A the square cos 0 degree. Why 0 degree, sir? Angle between A and A, right? Will be 0 only, no? Angle between A and A, 0 degree, right? So cos 0 will become, sir, actually this to be cos 0 is 1, sir. Okay, so A, this has to be simply like this, and this is coming as, please check, equal to 0. It means this A is actually equal to 0. Mod of A is actually equal to 0. Okay, and they're saying that A dot B is also 0. Of course it can be 0. If A itself is 0, bacha, then anything you multiply to 0 will be 0 only, no? So vector B can be anything. Can be any vector. Because anything you multiply to 0, what's the result, bacha? The result is always 0. Since A itself is 0, sir, vector A mod is 0, sir. It means vector B can be anything, right? Because multiply anything with 0. This part is 0, sir. Multiply anything with 0. Answer will be 0 only, right? So answer is B can be any vector. Option number C is correct. Right? Moving on to question number 83 now. Alright. If you have a doubt, do one thing. Question number you mention, then you ask that in the comment section. Projection vector of A on B. Vector A on B, right? So you'll do A dot b cap will become a vector dot b vector by mod of vector b, right? Option is going to be bacha option B from the definition of projection of vectors. Option B is correct. Please check. Question 33 is done. 84 now. The unit vector in the direction of the vector I plus j plus 2k. So they're basically asking, sir, a cap, no? It will become vector A upon mod of vector A. How much is that? I plus j plus 2k cap upon root of 1 plus 1 plus 4. How much is that? This whole thing by root 6. So option is option A only. Please check. Option A is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to question number 85 now. LPP bacha. Very simple questions we have. Let's quickly solve them and then we'll complete this chapter as well. Okay, every point of a feasible region is called as, sir, feasible solution, sir. Option C is correct, of course. Logical only, right? Logical only. Let's move on to next 86 now. The feasible region in LPP is always convex, sir. Definitions very important, bacha. The question can come in this from the definition point of view. That's why I've taken objective question over here as well. Coordinate points of feasible region determined by following system of linear inequalities. Okay, is given over here 0, 0, 5, 0, 3, 4, 0, 5. They've given z value over here to us, px plus qy, where the p and q are both more than 0. Okay, condition for p and q so that maximum z occurs at, okay, basically they're saying that z maximum is coming at both bacha 3, 4 and 0, 5. Okay, so basically z at this value bacha will become 3p plus 4q and it will be equal to 0p plus 5q, right? So it becomes 3p equals to 5q minus 4q. So I get, sir, 3p equals to simply q. Both point has maxima, right? So it means both will of course be equal. Okay, so we're getting here as q equals to 3p. Relation for p and q will become like this. Condition on p and q equal to 3p. Option D is correct. Option number D is correct. Okay, moving on. 88 now. Coordinate points of feasible region are 0, 10, 15, 15, 5, 5. Okay, let's see. We have px plus qy where p and q is both greater than 0. Condition that maximum occurs at this point again. Okay, right here bacha, z equals to, we have px plus qy. Okay, we write here 15 p plus 15 q. All right, equals to 0p plus 20q. Bring this over here, I get here 15p equals to 5q. 5 3s are 15. I get here 3p equals to q again. Please check. Similar answer, same answer actually. 3p equals to q again. Option C is correct. Please check. Same thing, no? They've given here maxima occurs at both the points. So equate the points value, z value at both the points. Okay, z maxima. 89 now. The coordinate points of feasible region for LPP are like this. Let z equals to 4x plus 6y be objective function, then minimum value of z occurs at, okay, minimum value you're looking for, right? So right here bacha, z as what they've given, 4x plus 6y, and right here coordinate points, they've given the coordinate points, right? So 0, 2 is the first one, 3, 0 is there, and they're asking about bacha only these 2 points, right? So we'll worry about only these 2. Okay, let's not write other values. Correct now? There, see, options we check. 3, 0, 0, 2 is there. Let's not worry about the other points. Okay, that they have given already. So let's find the values over here. We get here as 4 into 0 is simply 4. Okay, 0 actually. Excuse me. 1 second. My mistake. What I'm getting here, 0 plus 12. Now you put here 4 3s are 12 plus 0. Both of them are coming as 12 and 12 only. It means minimum at both the points, but will it be right? No, sir. It'll be between, let's say if this is the point, right? 0, 2. And we have another point here as 3, 0. Okay. Then the maxima, sorry, the minima will occur at every point joining the line, these 2 coordinates. Okay. If you join these lines, join these 2 coordinates with a line, at every single point you'll have a minima. So any point on the line segment joining the points 0, 2 and 3, 0. All the points will be your bacha minima value. All the points. any point you take, on the line joining the points 0, 2 and 3, 0, you'll get that as minima only. You'll get the minimum value of the objective function z. Done. 89th D is the answer. The corner points of the feasible region determined by the system of linear constraints are given like this. The maximum value of objective function, okay, same thing we'll do. Right here z as 4x plus y, we have z is given. We have the corner points also known. What is that? Corner points are given here as 0, 0, 0, 50. We have 30, 0, and we have 20, 30. Right? Let's find this. At 0 bacha is going to be 0 only. 0, 50 will be simply 50, sir. 30, 0 will be bacha 120, sir. And 20, 30 will become 80 plus 30, right? 80 plus 30. So how much is that? 110. You're looking for maximum value, right? So this is going to be a maximum value. 120 is the maximum value. Please check. So answer is going to be option number D, sir. Question is option number D. Please check. Okay. Let's move on now to question number 91. In a linear programming problem, the objective function is always linear function. Option C, right? We have taken all these functions. Please check. Here, sir, linear, right? Linear. Check here. Again, linear. Check here. What I'm getting now, here also, here we also have the function linear only. So every time you will have a linear function, bacha, for any linear programming problem, right? So answer is linear function. Moving on to question number 92 now. Very simple, right? Let's solve some questions on differential equations now. Please tell me the integrating factor of the differential equation like this, dy by dx plus y cot x equals to, we're looking for only integrating factor, right? The formula for this bacha will be nothing but e power p, the variable is dx over here, so p dx, the independent variable, okay? So find the value of p, bacha. This is the value of p, so nothing else matters over here. Right here, e power integral of cot x dx, okay? It becomes e power, write like this, cos x upon sin x dx. Take sin x as t, bacha. This is going to be simply e power log x, no? E power log sin x actually. E power log sin x, sir. Okay? E power log sin x, sir. Okay? So what is the answer going to be? Simply sin x is my value of integrating factor. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Please check. Right, no? If you take sin x as t, it will become dt by t. So log t. So log sin x. Answer is e and log will cancel the effect. Inverse functions. Answer is simply sin x as integrating factor. Very simple question on differential equation. Question number 92 is done. 93 now. Very unlikely. I have not seen any of the model paper giving you these questions, so I have not taken so many questions on differential equation, bacha. Okay, I have seen your model question paper. Any paper I have solved, no, for all of you. I have not seen a lot of questions from in the MCQ section or in the 1 marker section. In the fill in the blanks, they are giving sometimes, but on basis of your degree and order, not questions like this. Okay, so degree order is very easy to find. You can solve it. Chaliye. So question number 93 now. Integrating factor of differential equation dy by dx plus 2y. Again, sir, over here, this is your p value. So your p value is 2. So if will become what, sir? E power integration of 2 dx. How much is that, sir? It will become e power 2x. Correct, no? What is the answer going to be? E power 2x, sir. Option B is right. Option number B is correct. E power 2x is your integrating factor. The integrating factor of differential equation dy by dx plus sec x y plus tan x. Sec x y plus tan x. Again, so over here, very simple. This is the value of p. It will become e power integration of sec x and dx will be there, of course. It will become, so, e power log of sec x plus tan x. Right? Sec x plus tan x. So what are you going to get? E and log will cancel the effect. You will have simply here as sec x plus tan x as the answer. Okay, option is option number C, sir. Option number C is correct. Please check. Correct. Okay, simple integrations are there, not much. Question number 95, the integrating factor of the differential equation given like this. From here, if you check here, you're gonna get this p value as 1 by x. So your if will become very simple, e to power 1 by x dx. Okay, it'll be, sir, e power, what do you have? E power 1 by x dx. So it becomes, sir, e power ln x. Okay, E and ln will be casting the effect, inverse function. Answer is simply, sir, x. Option number D is correct. Okay, let's move on to question number 96 now. Had fun doing all of this. Let's move on to question number 96, sir. Okay, now before I move on to question number 96, bacha, I have one thing to show to all of you. Of course, the same thing has been posted in the community post as well. So you can check the schedule for PU2. Yes, this is specific for PU2, not for PU1, not for KCET. Of course, it'll help you if you get a good score in PU2, you get a good chance of getting a good rank in KCET examination. But bacha, this schedule is only for PU2. Subject wise, I'll let you know. For maths, it is going to be starting from 18th to 25. Model paper number 1, formulas, all formula video. You'll have a maths all 1 marker. Model paper number 2, maths 2 and 3 marker. Maths 5 marker, and then you have bacha passing package. Okay, from me, I'll be delivering this on the given schedule. The date is available in the schedule only. Check the community post. Okay, again, you can check the sessions PDF also to get this thing to you. Okay, now again for bio, Jasmine Ma'am will take from 19 to 26 from paper 1 to passing package. Please go ahead and check the schedule. Bio by Jasmine Ma'am, you have Samik sir for physics starting from 16th Feb going till 23rd Feb. Okay, you have a model paper number 2 to physics all 2 marker, 3 marker, passing package physics all 5 marker, PU2 physics all 2 all numericals, and physics all 1 marker. Please go ahead and check all the sessions and see the schedule when the what session is coming. Okay, you'll know the timing as well on our platform of Deeksha Karnataka. Okay, now for chemistry, you have Aswari Ma'am taking from 17th Feb to 24. Model paper number 1, 2 passing package. You have chemistry all 2 marker, 3 marker, chemistry PU2 all numericals, chemistry all 5 marker. Model paper number 2, chemistry all 1 marker is there. So check the schedule as I mentioned from the sessions PDF or bacha in the community post of our channel Deeksha Karnataka. You'll have all of these things available to you. Go ahead and check it out. Let's move on now to our question number 96 for 3D. Yes, we are going to complete this bacha with question of I think 101 we have to solve all the questions and complete the session right away. Come on. If alpha, beta, gamma are the direction angles of a directed line OP. Okay, OP line bacha, we have angles as alpha, beta, gamma. So it means the cosines will become cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. That is okay. Next, what we have, then the DC, direction cosines of the direction directed line OP. Okay, this has to be bacha PO actually. There's a mistake over here. This has to be PO. Okay, OP is there. No, OP and OP cannot be there. No, same thing. This is sir OP. This has to be PO. Let's make this correction. Okay, what happens is it becomes a minus cos alpha, of course, right? If you take the line OP like this, PO will become like this. No, from here, if I have this, let's say OP, PO is sir. If OP is like this, PO is this way, opposite, right? So it will become minus cos alpha, the DC, minus cos beta, the DC, and will become minus cos gamma. The direction cosines will be this only. Okay, what is the option? Option B is correct. Please check. Okay, please check. Moving on to question number 97, sir. A line makes equal angles with coordinate axis. Okay, it means alpha equals to beta equals to gamma. It means cos alpha equals to cos beta equals to cos gamma. Okay, what are they asking? Again, same thing, DC only, direction cosines only. How do you solve it, sir? You know the formula, L square plus M square plus N square is 1. This is L, this is M, this is N, right? They're all equal, means bacha, what are we gonna get? 3 times of L square equals to 1. It means we get L square equals to bacha 1 by 3. You get L equals to plus minus root of 1 by 3. This is no, it's the same thing, right? L equals to M equals to N bacha. So answer is plus minus 1 by root 3. So your value for L or M or N will become plus minus 1 by root 3, right? Option number B is correct. Please check. Option number B is correct. Okay, simple enough. Let's move on to question number 98. Yes, sir. A line makes an angle 60 degree with y-axis and z-axis. Okay, it is bacha, from here we get beta is 60 and we get gamma also is 60 degree. Alpha we don't know. Okay, we know this one thing is going to be alpha, cos of alpha square plus cos of beta square plus cos of gamma square is nothing but 1. L square, M square, N square, है ना? So I don't know this value. Cos square alpha plus cos 60 square plus cos square of again 60. They have given here 60 and 60. Okay, what do we get now? 1 by 2 the square plus 1 by 2 the square equals to 1. we have this of course cos square of alpha. It becomes a cos square of alpha plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equals to 1. Okay, what we're gonna get? Cos square of alpha will be 1 minus 2 by 4. How much is that, sir? 1 minus 1 by 2. How much is that, sir? 1 by 2. So I'm getting here cos square of alpha is 1 by 2. It means, sir, cos alpha is 1 upon root 2. Okay, and it means alpha will be what? 45 degrees, right? Cos is 1 by root 2n at 45 degrees. Okay, please check. Okay, option A is correct. Option A is correct, sir. Let's move on to question number 99 now. Okay, the equations of a line parallel to x-axis and passing through the origin. Okay, so bacha cos alpha is 0, sir. Okay, and beta gamma will become bacha how much? 90, right? 90, no? Beta will be 90 and gamma will be again 90 only. So you'll have cos 0 as 1. This will be again 0 and 0. So your L value is 1. Okay, bacha, we get from here. Correct, no? V0. So we have what? X minus 0 upon A will also become 1 only, right? So 1. So option number is B. Please check. X by 0, Y minus 0 by 0, Z minus 0 by 0. Option is B. Please check. Okay. I think same question was given in a model paper as well. Paper number 1. The question was there. Have a look. Question number 100 now. The angle between lines whose direction ratios are. Okay. We have the formula, right, for this? Yes, sir. We have A times of B minus C. Which is the formula, sir? A1 into A2 plus B1 into B2, right? Plus C1 into C2, the modulus by product of the two mods of the two vectors from here to here. Correct, now? Please check. We write here A times of B plus C plus B times of C minus A and C times of A minus B. Here we have A times of B minus C, B times of C minus C and C times of A minus B. Denominator doesn't matter, bacha. We have just write like this. Don't worry about this. Okay. Check the numerator now. A times of B. So AB minus AC. Over here BC minus AB. Right. Over here we get plus CA minus CB. In the modulus we have the root over here, of course. Check this out. AB cancelled, BC CB cancelled, AC CA cancelled. What we get? 0 by something. Doesn't matter. What is the answer? 0. So we are getting this value is what, sir? Cos of theta, right? So we get this cos theta is 0, right? Okay. So it means theta has to be 90 degrees, right? Answer is option D, right? Please check. Okay. Simple formula. I've given the formula as well. Please go ahead and check it. Okay. 100 is done. All right. Now moving on to the last question of the day. The line passing through the points. Okay. Is parallel to the line. Okay. Parallel means ratio will be equal, sir. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2, sir. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2, sir. Okay. How to find A1, bacha? It will become 2 minus 4 will be my A1 value. What is A2, sir? A2 will be 1 minus K. What about B1, sir? So we'll have bacha B1 as 3 minus 7 and B2 as 2 minus minus 2. Do we need C1, C2 also? We don't, sir. Only 2 ratio will be more than enough, right, to find the one variable? Yes. So I'm getting A1 value. Please check. A1 by A2. I'm getting this as 2 minus 4 is going to be minus 2 by 1 minus K. 1 second. 1 minus K. Over here what I'm getting? 3 minus 7, bacha. B1 by B2. 3 minus 7 is, sir, minus 4 actually. Minus 4 by, over here what I get? Plus 4. How much is that? Simply cancel. You get here 1. So my value is coming to be minus 2 by 1 minus K equals to minus 1. Take this and this cancelled. I get 2 equals to 1 minus K. Bring this K over here and this 2 on this side. I get bacha K equals to 1 minus 2. So K equals to minus 1. Answer is option number D. Please check. Okay. This is done. All right, but this completes your 1 marker series. Again, this question can be asked for MCQ, can be asked for fill in the blanks also. I've taken all MCQs only, but can be asked to fill in the blanks as well. So again, all important chapters, all the chapters with all the MCQs I've done. 101 questions. Let me know how you felt about it. If I missed something, let me know that as well. One more thing, very, very important. If you have any doubt, put your doubts in the comment section. I will take those screenshots, I'll take those questions and I'll try to come up with a live session to take all of your doubts. Okay, once that is done, again for only PU2, not for PU1, only PU2 bacha. Okay, with this I'm going to end the session today. Keep working hard, keep smiling. I'll see you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.